Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise section 1 of unit 2 from your MCB book. The name of the unit is what? Nurturing nature, and name of the chapter, name of the section is A Day in the Country. Dear students, wherever you find any word related to nature like animals, birds, and thunder, rain, any word if you find in examination, it means that your question is related to unit 2. Clear? You have to decide that, you have to identify that in which section, from which section the question is given. Understand? So today we shall revise the main points of the chapter. First of all, we must know about the main characters of the chapter. A Day in the Country is written by Anton Chekhov. The author of the chapter is Anton Chekhov. Clear? And there are three main characters. First one is Terenti. Second one is Fyokla. Third one is Danilka. Clear? We shall understand all these things about them one by one. First of all, we shall revise the main points related to Terenti. Who is Terenti? Terenti is a cobbler. He is a tall old man, and his dressing sense is what? He has worn a tattered, worn out jacket. Clear? And he always behaves like a father with the children, and he always tries to make their lives better than his own, because he loves them very much. Clear? Because every time he is ready to help the children. Which one? Fyokla and Danilka. Understand? Now try to understand about main points of Fyokla. Fyokla is an orphan girl. In the chapter. She is 6 years old. The age of Fyokla is what? 6 years old. Clear? And when the story starts, she worried about her brother because he has stuck his hand in a tree. Understand? And after that, Danilka is Fyokla's elder brother. Clear? He is also an orphan child. His age is 8 years old, and we find from the story, he gets his hand stuck in a tree and crying aloud for help. Clear? After removing your hand from the tree, they both the children, Fyokla and Danilka, with Terenti, go through the woods and try to understand, try to learn something new about the nature. They learn a lot about nature from Terenti because he wants to share, he wants to impart his experience, his knowledge about nature to the children. Clear? I hope you all have understood the main characters of the story, main points of the story. After recovering all these things, you will revise this chapter, and rest of the things we will discuss through the question answer of the story. Thank you. Have a good day.